A great car. So what we have here is a 2011 Banshee. It's actually a car that went to SEMA in 2000, I believe 12. Custom built for the Firebird fan, basically to look like an old Firebird, or look like a new Firebird. We did a little bit of work on this. Our client bought this from a collector who had kept it in the garage for many, many years. It's got just under 14,000 miles on it. We started with a custom tune, and usually what we're doing to these vehicles is trying to squeeze as much power as we can with a custom tune. In this case, we actually tried to tame it down a little bit so she could drive it more regularly. Change the shift points, throttled it down a little bit, played with when the fans go on and off to keep it cool in the Arizona heat. We actually added an oil cooler, a transmission cooler to take some of the pressure off of the radiator. Some of the other things that we did to this vehicle, we updated the sound system, we added a backup camera, we checked all the fluids, we checked all the consumables, all the things that we thought could go bad after sitting in a garage for so long. And then we polished the paint up a little bit, and to protect such a beautiful, unique car, we went ahead and added a ceramic coating to it. We went with Ceramic Pro Gold, which is 4 layers of 9/8 ceramic and then a top coat. We do the wheels, the outer wheel bases, we do the calipers, we do the glass. If you've ever had ceramic coated glass, it's kind of like that Rain-X on steroids. A lot of our clients tell us they don't even use the windshield wipers anymore. On the inside, we did the textiles, the leather, the plastics to keep it cleaner, to protect it, and to make it a heck of a lot easier to clean if it does get dirty.